Me and with my team came from Bangalore and we are doing this digital marketing boot camp, which is going to be an interactive session where we are going to give an introduction to digital marketing, and we are taking multiple topics and divide them into groups, and they will be learning multiple things. So one group will be learning Instagram, one group will be learning Google My Business, one will be learning LinkedIn, the importance of LinkedIn, one will have content, importance of content, different types of content like video, audio, image and all those things. So we'll give the tools and everything else, and by the end I think they should get an idea and they should be able to do something and show that this is what we have done. And that's going to be a session. This is just an introduction session, and of course maybe we'll come back and do in-depth workshops as well in the future. That is what we are planning to do. So actually, thank you for having me. It's been an honor and it's a pleasure, especially after hearing the vision and things like that, what is happening here. So thank you for having me here. And when I said that we are going to go here, and I asked my team, is it possible for you guys to come? They said immediately, of course. So all this credit, everything, because today what we are going to do is I'm not going to talk. They are the one who's going to this thing. So Pooja is there. Pooja, could you stand up, please? Pooja, social media, she's going to handle. Prem is going to take care of your LinkedIn and website. And Midun is going to take care of Google Local Guide. So they are the one who's actually going to do the work. I'll just talk. That's all. Right? So thank you. So, it's interesting. I want to talk about only one thing about one thing. I want to talk about failure. Failure. Okay, so as they mentioned, I'm from Ooty. Actually, I'm not originally from Ooty. In between Ooty and Kannur, there's a small village where there was not much exposure and there was not many people there. And we were not able to get the exposure as well because I born in 1974, right? So that time it was like different, and it's a small village. So I went to a nearby school. There is from 1st standard to 5th standard there is one school, and then from 6th standard to 12th standard it's only girls school. So the co-ed is only from 1st LKG, UKG 1st to 5th. So I started my studies there, and in 4th standard, I came till 4th standard, and 4th standard, I failed. I failed in my 4th standard. You know what, I don't know about now, but those days, if you have to fail, you have to sit down in the same class for one more year, right? You have to sit down, a new set of people coming in. So I failed. I failed in two this thing, so they made me to sit down there, and I have no idea. But interestingly, I saw a new set of people, so that means I made a new set of friends. I have old friends plus new friends. So I finished off that, and I sat down again, and 5th standard is over. So 6th standard I have to go to another school. So my dad was telling, you know what, the St. Anthony school in Sims Park, Kannur is one of the best school. So we want you to go there. So for that we need to write the entrance exam, 6th standard entrance exam. So I tried, and I failed. Okay. So now what my dad did was, okay, fine, you failed, we'll go to another school, we'll put you in another school. And so that is a half-a-day school. It's a factory school for the Corded factory. They have a school, not great school. So it's a half-a-day. So they put me there. 6th standard, I was there studying complete. Finished off, I was about to go to 7th standard. My dad said, you know what, why don't you give the other entrance again for the 6th standard? So I went and gave the entrance for the 6th standard, and I passed. This time I passed. So by the time, my brother was 2 years younger than me. My brother actually came and joined. So we both were in the same class. From 6th standard till 10th standard, me and my brother, my name is Suresh Babu and Prakash Babu, is in the same class. And everybody was like, guys, you guys are not twins, is it? I said, no. How come you both are in same class? So I said, 4th I failed. One more extra 6th standard I did in another school, and I joined, right? So early days I started to fail, right? So I finished off this. Then I finished off, and till 10th standard I finished. 11th standard I went to a different school. It was good, but I was like into bikes. So I was into bike, and I used to go bike every single day. And in school I did not go to school much. So 11th standard they kicked me out of the school. They said 12th standard is you will spoil a school's name, so they kicked me out of the school. So I did my 12th standard in private, that is in tutorials. Have you guys heard about tutorials? Private, it's not a school, so I went and did there. And I finished off 12th standard, and I did not get admission in college because I did it in private. So finally my dad found a place, and he found a place in Coimbatore, and they put me in there, and it was a BSc Hotel Management. That is how I ended up as a hotel management. And after I finished that one, 3 years I was finishing, and then I went to Mumbai to attend interviews. I was teaching there. One of my friend came and said, "Hey Suresh, you should come and work in the ship." He was working in the ship in Miami. And I said, "What is the procedure?" "You have to go to Mumbai and attend the interviews." So I went to Mumbai. I don't know Hindi, I don't know anybody, but I went there and I attended one interview, and they asked me, "What do you do?" I said, "I teach." They said, "We want people who can actually work. We don't want teachers. We want people who can actually do the practical work." So I failed in the interview, and I came back, and 6 months I did a kind of a training in Taj Kunur, and then went back. And this time I decided, if I go to Mumbai, I'm not going to come without a job. So I went to Mumbai, stayed there for 1.5 months. Finally I got through that. So I went to the ship. The first year, when I came, all my cousins were there, and they were like, "We have to meet with you often, Suresh." Because those days I can only call from the US. So I said, "I don't know anything." So she introduced something which changed my life. In 1999, she introduced Yahoo Chat. But do you guys know Yahoo Chat? Those days it was very early. I had no idea, because I don't know anything about computers. I don't know anything about the internet. So she introduced to me Yahoo Chat, and I said, "Wow, this is the most amazing thing I can see." So that time I decided, if I want to learn something, I am going to learn this thing called as internet. So I went back to the ship. I worked for 3 years, and one of my friend asked me to come and work in his hotel. And unfortunately, he had to shut down his hotel. So in the US, no job. He found me a job as a gas station. So in this gas station, petrol pump, they started new. So me and one more person was there, and we had 3 days to actually take care of the training, to manage the entire store. And I had no idea how this thing works. It's a register, you have to do this, everything was manual. I had no idea. And we had only 3 days. I said, "Okay, we are not going to do it." And those people who are training us, they said, "You guys you can't run like this, because it's a busy gas station. You cannot be like this." So then we slowly learned, but it took some time. I wrote down every single one of those things, and then I started to do, and I started to learn. But that time I decided, if I have to, because after going through that, I decided I can do any kind of job in this world. Doesn't matter. Right? It gave me that confidence, because I was able to fail, and I was able to go through that failure and then go to this. So one of the important things that I want to share is, whatever we guys learn right here, the outside world is completely different, right? It might not even be relevant, but it gives you a basic understanding of what it is. Now, one thing I wanted to do is, after going through all of these things, I encourage my students, my faculty, my people here, everybody to fail, right? So that is something that is not taught. I believe everybody talks about how to be successful, but nobody talks about how to fail, which is very, very important. Very important. I believe that it should be from the childhood, from the school, from college. There should be a subject about failure. How to fail, why it is important to fail, and how to overcome that, right? So I failed, a lot of people failing, right? It's a good thing. So we have to take care of the failure. I think for me, failure is the new success, right? So if you're failing, it's a good sign, right? So it is a good sign. Learn,